Welcome back. Now, Fantastical also has calendar-related applications, and you'll notice a number of them here. There's one at the very top that is called Booked. And what Booked is a scheduling application. So you can set events and you can make appointments using this application. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Install. We're going to set up our directory, create our username, password, and then write in our email, and then give our site a name. Once we have all our information, we'll then click Submit. We'll check our information, and then we'll click Proceed. Once we click Proceed, then Fantastico will begin the installation process. And once we do that, we're then ready to log into our back-end office. Once we put in our username and password, we will then log in. And basically what we have is a scheduling application that we can use online or offline. You'll notice that we can use this to reserve certain spaces. We can also use blackout times and then create opportunities for others to make reservations. We then have the ability to look at our entire calendar and schedule then at a glance. The Book program does have a set of instructions. You'll find that in the Help section and then the Administration tab. Once you've analyzed the program, you can then click Sign Out. If you decide you don't want Booked, you can go back to the Booked Overview page. And again, we can go to Installed Scripts and then we can uninstall the program. Now, if we're looking for similar programs, we can find them in the Suggestions area. For instance, PHP Scheduler is a very similar program in function. So to uninstall Booked, what we'll need to do is to click this Uninstall button. We'll then get the warning message from Fantastico. We'll click Yes. And once we do that, then this program, Booked, will then be uninstalled. And we'll be able to see that by scrolling down to look in the installed scripts. It'll say Fantastico will no longer be managing any installations of this script. And to make sure, if we check our installed scripts, we'll only see 3 and we don't see the one that we just installed. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.